let's imagine this in reverse, right? Where all cars are electric and we're all nipping around in little electric cars and recharging. And this rogue Volkswagen engineer comes up with, I've got a better idea. It's massively complicated. You put a huge tank of an inflammable liquid in your car, then it feeds into these cylinders where we engineer an explosion, a series of explosions. Now, unfortunately, it only produces torque in a limited range of the revolutionary cycles. So we'll need a thing called a gearbox, which we'll need oil for. And then we'll need an air filter. And then we'll need a water filter. And then we'll need all this stuff. Does it perform better than an electric car? No, not really. No, okay. Is it quieter? No. Quite the opposite. It's fucking noisy as hell, right? Is it cleaner? No. It's farting stuff out of the back, right? Simpler to make? No. There are 250 moving parts in the drivetrain. And okay, so...
kind of like in plain English, it really does make sense why you would, choose to get an EV over an internal combustion vehicle, So, yeah, it just makes sense that you'd get like an EV over a car, over like a petrol or diesel vehicle. Why wouldn't you? I'd love to know the reason why. Why wouldn't you get an EV over like a petrol or diesel vehicle especially if you have your own home with a drive? Like, can somebody just explain that to me, please? Just explain it. Thanks.